Hi there, I'd like to show you a quick tutorial on how to use a split screen in order to complete tasks a little bit faster. I want to use a week 7 video assignment as the example. Your task for the video assignment is to watch this crash course video over acid-base reactions and solution and answer the questions at the bottom of the screen. Now you can always click submit assignment and you can hit the reply box and type in your answers there. That's definitely an option, but I wanted to show you the second option. It says open the crash course handout, type in your answers, save file, and upload. So if you open up this handout, it'll come up or show up at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and open that up, and what it'll look like, sorry, I got too many going on here, and what it'll look like is this document here. It says crash course, it's ready for you to type in your answers there. Now what I'd like for you to do is grab the top of the file and you're going to drag it to the bottom corner. And what that does is it creates a split screen. I'm going to select my Google Chrome as a second option for the second half of my split screen. So now I can see the video and I have my Word document here ready to type in my answers. So question 1, which acid is responsible for the melting of the statue's face? I can go ahead and click play on my video.
All right, so you're studying chemistry.
And I can respond and type in answers as I go.
Abject total failure. It's like failing a test, failing the class.
And I can type in my answers. There. I can keep watching. Oh, I clicked on something I shouldn't have. Oh, I guess I was just making it a big screen. But I can watch the video here. I can answer questions over on the right-hand side. And then when I'm done with my file over here, once I've answered all my questions, what you're gonna do next is save your document. You'll click Save As, and where you save it is really up to you. I'm just gonna save mine on the desktop so I can find it really quickly. And I will call this Crash Course Demo. You can name it whatever you want. I encourage putting your last name or your first name somewhere in the file name so that when your teacher is looking over it, it's easy to identify whose it is. Now that I've saved it, I'm going to go back to my Canvas course over here on the left. I'm done with this document here, so I'm going to maximize my screen so it takes the split screen off, and I'm going to submit the assignment. I'm going to choose a file, so you can do a file upload, a text entry. So this is where I said if you want to watch the video and type in your answers, you can definitely do that, but you got to be going up and down on the screen, and I'm not a super fan there. You can upload a file, so I'm going to choose the file. The file name was Crash Course Demo. Let's find that one. Crash Course Demo, here it is. I select open and I should see the name of the file pop up there, Crash Course Demo. It's there, I'm gonna submit the assignment, and I'm done. So just a quick tutorial. I wanted to show you what a split screen looks like and how I can use it when I need to do 2 different tasks at the same time.